Hey guys, Val is at it again today. I will be doing some baked chicken. So I'll be browning my chicken in some brown sugar and garlic. Over here is some ketchup, honey, and soy sauce. That's what I'll be using to finish off my chicken inside of the oven. Stay tuned. Remember to like my video, subscribe, and place a comment below. Thank you. Okay guys, so I'm back. I actually burn my sugar in a little bit of oil, so I'm gonna place my chicken inside. And this is going to place on the low fire. And what I'll be doing, I'll be just let it sit for say around 10 minutes to brown, and then I'll place it in my oven. So I'll be back to show you what I'll be doing. Alright, so guys, I'm back after 10 minutes and I'll be doing my honey garlic sauce. So this would be like my leftover from my chicken broth. Alright, so I'll be pouring my mix inside here, and I'll be doing my sauce to finish my chicken in my oven. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm actually pouring my sauce on top of my chicken. So I'll be giving it 30 minutes in the oven, 15 minutes on each side. So I'll come back to you with the finishing touch. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm actually onto the second side of my chicken. So this is what the final 15 to 20 minutes will be like in the oven. The reason I use a little sweet pepper and onion and some scallion is because I like the flavor. I love the flavor of the sweet pepper and also the scallion. So you can try it this way as well. Yes guys, so my baked chicken is completed and this is what it is looking like. Alright, so this will be serving with some baked fried breadfruit. Stay tuned for my presentation. Yes guys, so I'm back with my presentation. This is my baked chicken with my baked fried breadfruit. Alrighty, so I am actually ready to dig in. Alright, I'm sure it's going to be delicious. See you guys soon. Take care, be safe, peace out.